May I interest you with a talk about NFTs? Yes, I'm raising this topic in 2024 and no, I'm not crazy, just hear me out. We all know that the NFT market is not at its finest, and rightfully so, I would say. But does it mean that NFT as a technology is done for? I think not. So I shall talk about possibilities that can make NFT great again. Yes, NFT can be much more than we know it to be now, and it is quite possible that the NFT boom of 2021 is just a small hint of what can be really achieved with this technology. Watch this video till the end and you will know what can make NFTs retain their value even if all the hype about them is gone. What is more, I shall give an overview of what to expect from successful NFT projects. Please write in the comments your opinion about the future of NFT. The NFT market was explosively fast to rise and unfortunately as fast to fall. Yes, some managed to make good money on it, but overall it left a bad taste in the mouths of many. And now NFT seems not to be a good topic for a conversation, as it may look like the crypto market has turned this page for good. Yes, mistakes were made, but it's time to learn from them. What went wrong with NFTs? Why has the market suddenly lost interest in them? And will they ever make a comeback? Let's investigate. So 2021 was the crypto market year of NFT. This technology has become extremely popular and has generated tons of money. It seemed that the world had gone crazy about NFTs. People were ready to pay millions of dollars to get digital ownership of certain collectibles. For example, on the Ethereum blockchain alone, around $40 billion was spent on NFTs. And in the middle of 2022, the NFT market has shrunk significantly, leaving collectors in a sad situation. The best example of it being Justin Bieber's purchase of Bored Ape NFT for 500 Ethereum, or around $1.3 million. So now the highest bid for his NFT is around $30K. Yeah, that's very sad. Since 2022, the NFT market is somewhat dormant, with some attempts to bring it to life, like the Ordinals project, which is aimed at introducing NFT to Bitcoin. But nothing could give this market an impulse to make even a fraction of its success in 2021. Since the beginning of their rise, NFTs have been criticized for their lack of utility to back up their rising prices. In retrospect, it is now obvious that the prices were driven by speculative interest, and when the excitement faded, money left the market as quickly as it entered. Let me give you an interesting example. The leading NFT project CryptoPunks is traded in July 2024 at the cheapest for around 27.25 Ethereum. And at their prime, punks were sold for no less than 125 Ethereum. So it is minus 78%. And the value of these NFTs continues to decline. Interestingly enough, in more fresh ordinals, there is a copycat collection, Bitcoin punks, even with similar artwork. What do you think? Is there a chance that it will not repeat the fate of the original punks? After all, let's be honest, when the hype around NFTs is over, who cares if someone has rights to a certain picture on the internet? Of course, some investors managed to cash in when they had the chance, but overall, it couldn't save the NFT market. From an investment perspective, there is a lesson to be learned. NFT has nothing but speculative interest to back up its price. It can become toxic in no time once the hype around it goes away. So would I include in my investment portfolio assets with high speculative interest and with tendency to decrease in value over time? Definitely not. At most, I would try to benefit from it in short. Let's compare a collectible NFT to our golden boy, Bitcoin. Every Satoshi you own is reinforced with multi-billion-dollar infrastructure of mining, nodes, exchanges, users, and so on. And with collectible NFT, most of which are procedurally generated, you have a shady claim to a picture of debatable artistic value. So, is there any hope for NFT? Actually, yes. If we go back to the meaning of NFT technology, we will find that it can be used in a variety of useful ways. The main purpose of NFT is to certify ownership and authenticity. And it actually offers a wide range of possibilities that are yet to be discovered. Unlike cryptocurrency, which is tangible, NFT can, for example, represent real-world assets or services and allow for their integration into the blockchain. For example, imagine an online university that uses NFT diplomas as certificates. Since we know the public address of the university in blockchain, the NFT it gives to other users may serve as authentic and unfalsifiable evidence that these users have indeed finished the courses. It is actually far more reliable than old-fashioned paper diplomas. First, like if you would prefer to have your certificates on blockchain rather than on paper. What is more, NFT can benefit from smart contract functionality, which can further enhance its real-world applicability. So it turns out that pictures and collectibles may simply have been a poor choice of implementation of this technology. Which are better choices? For now, there are several, and the NFT market starts shifting slowly towards more useful products. Let's name some. The first thing that comes to mind is the utility of the NFT. It generally means that such NFT has a direct and intrinsic value and can be used to gain some benefits, receive services, or get access to some privileges. A good example is Aura Blockchain Consortium, which is a collaboration of high-end fashion brands like LVMH, Prada, Cartier, and others. Their NFTs can be used to verify the authenticity and ownership of the luxurious items. Furthermore, they use NFTs which grant access to, for example, after-sale services or repair benefits as a reward for loyalty or as a bonus for purchases. These tokens can be used for the intended purpose or sold when it's possible. Other examples of utility NFTs are NFT tickets, vouchers, NFTs for premium content, and so on. There is also big potential in IP NFTs, which provide on-chain proof of ownership for intellectual property. There are some legal issues concerning the NFT format of allocating and distributing intellectual property, but it is still worth keeping an eye on such NFTs. NFTFI is also worth mentioning. It is in between NFT and DeFi and is used to boost financial utility of NFT technology. For now, it is mostly used as a collateral for crypto loans, but once the market becomes more and more developed, the scope of financial utilization may broaden significantly. In the field of gaming, dynamic NFTs are looking promising. Such NFT can change its metadata according to certain conditions via smart contract mechanisms. For example, a playable character represented by NFT gets a level up and the token will change accordingly. There is another concept very close to DNFT, autonomous NFT. It is when a token can interact with the environment on its own. Well, to be precise, according to this program, but it is still very cool and can be used in the most resourceful ways. From a technological perspective, hybrid NFTs are also worthy of attention. It is an intersection of a fungible and non-fungible digital assets which was made possible by the ERC 404 standard. Simply put, an NFT can be owned by multiple wallets which can further scale the mentioned solutions. So if NFTs become useful, would you give them another chance? Or anything labeled as NFT is worthless anyway? As you can see, there are many innovative ways in which NFT can be used. And there are setting a distinct market between NFTs that ultimately fail and NFTs that may strive. It is usability, and the more significant it is, the better. NFT as a technology may become a bridge between real-world assets and cryptocurrency. The problem is that it has hardly been used this way, and once it starts, a new NFT boom will happen. And unlike last time, it will not go away as easily. So guys, thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, push like, notification button, and see you next time, guys. Bye.